you have to talk about the team of Abdullah the Butcher and the Barbarian and their manager, Paul Jones.
When you mentioned power and mass, and you were looking at me, I was going to say thank you. But he is exactly right. Even you, David Crockett, you've been around wrestling a long time. You wrestled yourself, and you can see the power and the mass that I have here with me. And I want to tell you people to smarten up. The Rock and Roll Express, if they were true champions, they would be out here right now and say, Paul Jones, we want to put our belts up and put our belts up against the strongest test of our career. We want to wrestle the Barbarian and Abdullah the Butcher. Now you people, you just stop and think. The Rock and Roll Express have got to be cowards. They're cowards, and if they had any guts, they'd be standing here right now saying, we want to wrestle your men. But brother, let me tell you something. David, you know yourself that I will not stop until I get that title match for my men. My men deserve those belts. They deserve everything that goes along with it because they have paid the price, David. They have beat just about everybody around here, right here on national television. Now you people, I want you to write some letters to the Rock and Roll Express and say, boys, get some guts. Tell Jones, you tell him to shut Jones's mouth up, that you're going to put those belts up against his men. Now you people do me that much of a favor. David, I want you to ask those people to write those cards and letters and ask the Rock and Roll Express to put those world belts up against my men.